Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. But fear not, because today, we're going to uncover the 4 secrets of financial freedom that the rich keep from the poor. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our empowering financial tips and strategies. Step 1. Understanding assets. The wealthy understand that not all assets are created equal. While most people focus on acquiring liabilities like cars or fancy gadgets, the rich prioritize building assets that generate income without them having to work for it. These income-producing assets, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and successful businesses, are the key to financial freedom because they continue to generate wealth even when you're not actively working. Step 2. Investing in yourself. One of the secrets that the rich understand is the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. Whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or investing in further education, the wealthy understand that the greatest asset they have is themselves. By constantly expanding their knowledge and skill set, they position themselves for greater opportunities and financial success. Step 3. Leveraging other people's time and money. One of the biggest misconceptions about wealth building is that you have to do everything yourself. However, the rich understand the power of leverage. Whether it's through partnerships, outsourcing tasks, or investing in passive income streams like dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, the wealthy know how to leverage the time and resources of others to accelerate their wealth-building journey. Step 4. Mindset and financial habits. Perhaps the most crucial secret of all is the mindset and financial habits that separate the wealthy from the rest. The rich understand the importance of setting clear financial goals, living below their means, and consistently saving and investing for the future. They have a long-term mindset that allows them to make strategic decisions with their money, rather than succumbing to short-term gratification. So there you have it, the 4 secrets of financial freedom that the rich keep from the poor. By understanding the power of assets, investing in yourself, leveraging other people's time and money, and adopting the right mindset and financial habits, you too can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.